AI agents represent the next evolution of print-on-demand automation. Instead of you manually creating designs, writing descriptions, uploading listings, and answering messages, AI agents handle entire workflows from start to finish. They can generate art, research trends, create mockups, optimize SEO, and even upload products across multiple platforms automatically. With multi-agent setups, different agents specialize in different tasks. One for design, one for listings, one for trend analysis, and another for customer support. This allows you to operate your POD business like a fully automated factory, scaling to hundreds or thousands of listings effortlessly. With AI agents, your store grows in the background while you focus on strategy or entirely new projects. Trend research is one of the most valuable tasks AI agents can automate. Instead of manually reviewing bestseller lists across Etsy, Amazon Merch, Redbubble, or Pinterest, AI agents can scan these platforms continuously and identify trending keywords, rising niches, and underserved markets. They can flag upcoming seasonal trends like Halloween, graduation, Christmas, wedding season, or viral opportunities from social media. Competitive research becomes automated as agents analyze top-performing listings, pricing strategies, reviews, and tags. Your agents then generate detailed niche reports with recommended prompts, design concepts, and listing templates. This gives you an unfair advantage. You enter high-demand niches exactly when buyers are looking, not weeks later. With AI agents doing all the research, staying ahead of the market becomes effortless. AI agents can be trained to generate dozens or even hundreds of designs per day based on your chosen niches. Using Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo, or Stable Diffusion, these agents can create unique artwork tailored for specific products like shirts, hoodies, posters, and stickers. Once the art is generated, the agent automatically formats it to POD specs, 4500 by 5400 pixels for shirts, high-resolution PNGs for stickers, or large format files for posters. It then creates mockups using automated tools, selecting lifestyle images or clean product photos that match your brand. By maintaining consistent styles, your store gains a recognizable aesthetic, increasing trust and conversions. With AI agents producing art non-stop, your catalog grows at a pace impossible to achieve manually. Listing and SEO are where AI agents shine the most. They can automatically write SEO-optimized titles, tags, and descriptions tailored to each platform's algorithm. Etsy requires keyword-rich titles and long tag combinations. Redbubble favors clean tags, and Shopify needs structured product pages. Your agents can handle all of it. Once listings are generated, agents upload them across multiple marketplaces, ensuring your designs gain maximum exposure. They can also create product bundles, multi-variation listings, and upsells to increase order value. Maintaining a consistent listing schedule, 5 to 20 new designs per day, helps stores rank higher on Etsy and Redbubble. AI agents give you this advantage without manual effort. With automated listing and SEO workflows, your store builds momentum and visibility on autopilot. Beyond design and listing, AI agents can manage customer support just like a human team. Answering sizing questions, providing tracking info, resolving delays, and handling refunds. Meanwhile, analytical agents track which designs are selling, which niches are trending, and which products need expansion. They can forecast future demand using sales patterns and platform search data. Scaling becomes straightforward. Once a niche performs well, the agents generate more designs, optimize listings, and expand your catalog into related items automatically. Your store can reach thousands of listings within months, something nearly impossible manually. When every part of your POD workflow is automated, design, listing, SEO, support, you unlock true passive income at scale. AI agents transform your store into a high-volume, self-growing business.